One of the main things that makes us different from other duct cleaners is our attention to detail at the jobs, but also after the jobs when making this picture report. Today, we're going to walk you through how we make a picture report after the job is done so that we prove and verify to you that we did an awesome job at your house. The first thing we do is upload the pictures to the computer, then we go through and change the names on all of these so they're organized. So now that we've named all our pictures with our little code names, I can finish moving over the last set of pictures to the slides, and we can do our quick review of the PowerPoint. I'm gonna go to the top here and work my way down through all the pictures. Once they're all approved and good to go, we'll make the PDF and we'll email it over to you, and that's when you can go to the bottom page and leave us a 5-star Google review. So that is how we make one of our picture reports after the job. If you have any questions, call or text us anytime.